Hi, it's Savannah O'Gwyn from Savannah Land 2. Today I'm sharing a special feature and creation based off a part of my interview with Travis a couple weeks back. Here's a short clip from this interview. You also tell me every time I tell you I need to make a card, you always tell me a certain way I should make my cards, and what is your card style?
For the record, you have not taken my advice yet.
So true, I haven't.
It's a very simple 3-step process. Probably 2 steps. The third is the conclusion. And that is stamp, ribbon, done.
I love it. I love it. 3-step process, maybe. Maybe that'll be in the future for my videos, yeah? Maybe. Probably not. So from this interview, I had an idea. I think I might try out Trav's card style on some of my creations. I'm not really sure what he means by stamp, ribbon, done though. Does it mean I can use more than one stamp? Can I use pattern paper? Does the ribbon have to be ribbon, or can I use twine, cord, and thread? I guess I will ask him these questions if I continue this feature. And I have to say that I actually broke a lot of these stamp, ribbon, done rules in this card today. As you can see for my card, I used some pattern paper. Don't know if it's okay, but I did. And this is from American Crafts, and I've had it for quite some time, and I really, really like that ampersand sign. And so I'm going to attach it to my card base, just using my, regular adhesive. This card isn't fancy because of the rules, stamp, ribbon, done. So I wanted to use a large piece of pattern paper that had a distinct design on it, and that's what I'm going to use for the top half. And I really love that ampersand. Actually, I think this could have gone in for a publication call right now. I think Paper Crafts is having one with ampersand symbols and things like that, but what are you going to do? So now I'm trying to decide if Travis means 1 stamp, 2 stamps, and I couldn't figure it out. So I die cut a little heart. Also broke a rule there because I'm not sure if I can use a die cut heart, but I needed something to hide part of my twine / ribbon / thread, and so I added my heart and my thread together using a foam dot. I couldn't decide. A little bit earlier you saw that I had black ink out. I couldn't decide if I wanted gold or black, and I decided on gold, so I'm going to emboss the sediment using my favorite embossing powder by Imagine Crafts, and this is the gold. It's so pretty. It shines in the light. It's so pretty. I love it. And so here I'm embossing it. This card is really, really quick because I didn't do much. Stamp, ribbon, done. See, you can see that shining. So pretty. Ooh, love it. So I add my embellishment, and I am looking at it and thinking, ooh, I really would like to add a couple more things, but I decide against that, and there it is. That's it for me today. I hope that you enjoy my version of Trav's card style. I also hope that you will try his style and link it up to the Inspired by Virtual Smooches post. I'd love to check out your work, and I know Travis would too. Thanks so much for watching.